In this video, I'm going to help you learn how to download Demon Slayer game on your PC. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Depending upon your platform, you can buy the game Demon Slayer from your Steam website or Microsoft Store. In today's video, I'm going to use the Steam application. Simply go ahead and make sure that you have Steam downloaded on your PC, and once you have, launch it open and log into your account. Now, make sure that you are inside your Steam store, and once you are, go to the search box at the top and type in Demon Slayer. Select the game that says Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba, the Hinokami Chronicles. Click on the option and then you'll be able to see the game preview. The game is based on the popular anime and manga series Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. In order to download the application, you'll need to pay a certain price. Simply scroll down and select the package you'd like to purchase. After making your selection, click on Add to Cart, and then now on the next page, select if it is for you or a gift to be sent to someone, and then on the next page, select a payment method. Click Continue. After you are done, enter all of the necessary information, and then after making your payment, you'll be able to download Demon Slayer for PC. After you are done purchasing the game, it'll be downloaded on your device. You can then simply go ahead and launch open the game and enjoy. That is how you should be able to get Demon Slayer on PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.